Dear students, welcome to Dev's Academy. Today's chapter is the same which we started previously. It is from CBSE class 10 and conditions for solvability of linear equations. Solved problems is given here. 6 solved problems. From the beginning, we have told that here two simultaneous equations of two variables x and y will be taken as equation. The equations is like that way: x1a a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. The two simultaneous equation will be always in this form. Always will be in this form for our solving. Now the first question: so that the system of equations has a unique solution. The unique solution, these equations are given 3x minus 5y equal to 12. We have framed like this way: 3x plus 5y minus 12 equal to 0 and 5x plus 3y equal to 4. This is 5x plus 3y minus 4. At first we have to show that the equations has a unique solution. When it has got unique solution, it will be a1 by a2 not equal to b1 by b2. Here a1 equal to 3, b1 equal to 5, c1 equal to minus 12, and a2 equal to 5, b2 equal to 3, and c2 equal to minus 4. Just see that a1 by a2 equal to 3 by 5, a1 by a2 equal to 3 by 5, and b1 by b2 equal to 5 by 3. So it is clear that a1 by a2 not equal to b1 by b2. So the given system of equation has a unique solution, and by crosswise multiplication we will get the value of x equal to minus 1 and y equal to 3. Question number 2, this is answer. Question number 2, find the value of k for which the system of equations has a unique solution. Here the two equations 2x plus 3y minus 5 equal to 0 and kx minus 6y minus 8, it is given in usual form that we need. Here a1 equal to 2, b1 equal to 3, c1 equal to minus 5, a2 equal to k, b2 equal to minus 6, c2 equal to minus 8. As such, they will have unique solution, so we must have a1 by a2 not equal to b1 by b2. So it is clear 2 by k not equal to 3 by minus 6, and the value of k is not equal to 4. This is answer. Question number 3. So that the system of equation 2x minus 3y minus 5 and 6x minus 9y equal to 15 has an infinite number of solutions. At first we have to change this form into the same previous form, which is told like this way. This is 2x minus 3y minus 5 equal to 0 and number 1, and number 2 is 6x minus 9y minus 15 equal to 0. Here a1 equal to 2, b1 equal to minus 3, c1 equal to minus 5, a2 equal to 6, b2 equal to minus 9, and c2 equal to minus 15. So a1 by a2 equal to 2 by 6, that is equal to 3 by 1 by 3, b1 by b2 equal to minus 3 by minus 9, that is also 1 by 3, and c1 by c2 equal to also minus 5 by minus 15, that is also 1 by 3. So it is clear that a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 equal to c1 by c2, because all are 1 by 3. So the given system of equations has an infinite number of solutions. Number 4. So that the system of equation 6x plus 5y equal to 11 and 9x plus 15 by 2y equal to 21 has no solution. The first equation 6x minus plus 5y minus 11, it is written in the form 6x plus 5y minus 11 equal to 0. This is 1. And the second 9x plus 15 by 2y equal to 21, it is rationalized and it is in the form of 6x plus 5y minus 14 equal to 0. Here a1, b1, c1 are respectively 6, 5 and minus 11, and a2 equal to 6, b2 equal to 5 and c2 equal to minus 14. Clearly a1 by a2 equal to 6 by 6, b1 by b2 equal to 5 by 5, and c1 by c2 equal to minus 11 by 14, that is 11 by 14. Clear that 6 by 6 and 5 by 5 are equal because both are 1, but c1 by c2, that is different. So a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2, but not equal to C1 by C2. So the system of equations has no solution. Question number 5. It is given that for what value of k does the system of equations kx plus 2y equal to 5 and 3x minus 4y equal to 10 have first part a unique solution, number 2 no solution. Here the equations are rationalized and framed in the same way as it is given here, which is kx plus 2y minus 5 equal to 0 and 3x minus 4y minus 10 equal to 0. Here k1, a1 equal to k, b1 equal to 2, c1 equal to minus 5, a2 equal to 3 and b2 equal to minus 4, c2 equal to minus 10. So the first part equation have a unique solution, that is a1 by a2 not equal to b1 by b2. a1 by a2 equal to k by 3 not equal to 2 by 4. So k equal to minus k not equal to minus 3 by 2. This is answer. And have no solution. The formation is a by 2. There should be a by 2 equal to b by 2, b1 by 2, b2 equal to c1 by c2. a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 equal to not equal to c1 by c2. Here this is a1 by a2, this is b1 by b2, this is not equal to c1 by c2. And it is a k by 3 equal to minus 2 by 4 equal to minus 1 by 2. And again 5 by 10 not equal to 2 by 4. It is clear. So only one equation have been solved, that is k equal to minus 3 by 2. This is answer. Question number 6. Find the value of k for which the system of linear equation has an infinite number of solutions. Kx plus 3y minus equal to 2k minus 1 and 2 into k plus 1x and 9y equal to 7k plus 1. These are framed in the same form as it is told a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. Here a1 equal to k, b1 equal to 3, c1 equal to minus of 2k plus 1 and a2 equal to 2 into k plus 1, b2 equal to 9 and c2 equal to minus of 7k plus 1. Since the equations have infinite number of solutions, that is you have to fulfill this relation a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 equal to c1 by c2. Just see a1 by a2 equal to 3 by 9, it is 3 by 9, that is, and this is c1 by c2. So from this k by 2k minus 2 equal to 3 by 9 and k 2k minus 1 by 7k minus 1 is also equal to 3 by 9. Both the equations, this equation and this equation, are solved and